CineBeam Laser 4K.
And it's finally here.
Dude, it looks so good.
Because I have a new LG projector on the channel.
Pretty portable if you want to actually move it around.
And there's a built-in retractable power cable with support for HDR10.
Up to 20,000 hours of use.
And something that's really surprising to me is how bright it is.
You can even tuck this thing away in the back here.
Using the included stand, just adjust it and kind of angle it just about the way you want to look at it on the display.
8.3 million pixels being displayed by laser on
You
screen.
can reflect the image to whatever surface you want, including the ceiling.
You don't need to be navigating or touching the buttons here.
This is actually really cool though. Full wireless mechanical keyboard.
So good. We got basically all clips just to kind of match everything.
Dude, this is so great.
Yep.